Good morning students. Welcome back to Java class. In this class we are going to study difference between JDK, JRE and JVM. Here JDK stands for Java Development Kit, JRE stands for Java Runtime Environment and JVM stands for Java Virtual Machine. First we can discuss the JVM. Java Virtual Machine is an abstract machine. It means unlike other high-level programming language compilers, Java compiler translates the Java source code to Java bytecodes, but not produce the machine language code of respective machines. And it is a virtual machine because it doesn't physically exist. And it is a specification that provides a runtime environment in which the Java bytecode can be executed. It means JVM provides a runtime environment to Java source code that can be executed for Java bytecode. JVM are available for many hardware and software platforms. And JVM, JRE, JDK are the platform independent because configuration of each operating system is different from each other. However, Java is platform independent. In this, JVM have three notations of program execution. First one is specification, implementation and instance. And also JVM can run those programs which are written in other languages and compiled to Java bytecode. It means first we can write a Java source code that can be compiled with Java C, and Java C can be translated to .class file, and that .class file can be executed as output. And also the JVM performs the following main task. First one, loads the code, verifies the code, executes the code, provides the runtime environment. It means first we can write the Java source code or Java program in the .java file, and that .java file can be compiled by the Java compiler, and that can be converted as .class file, and that .class file is compiled with a Java interpreter and machine code, and finally it can be executed. First it loads the code, verifies the code, executes the code, provides the runtime environment to the code. These four main tasks can be performed by the JVM. Next we can discuss JRE. Here JRE acronyms for the Java runtime environment. Acronyms means stand for. JRE stands for Java runtime environment, and it also written as Java RTE. RTE stands for runtime environment. It can be written as JRE also and Java RTE also. And the Java runtime environment is a set of software tools which are used to develop the Java application, and it is used to provide a runtime environment. It is implementation of JVM. It physically exists. JRE is physically exists. It provides a runtime environment to Java application, and it contains the set of libraries and other files that JVM uses the runtime. Here in this picture it is the JRE picture. JRE include JVM and set of libraries, examples, jar files and etc., and also other files. JRE include JVM, set of libraries and other files. But JRE physically exists. JVM is not physically exist, but JRE is physically exist. Here JDK. JDK is stand for Java Development Kit. The Java Development Kit is a software development environment which is used to develop a Java application and applets. Applets are the programs which are written for the internet purpose. The applets are the programs which are written for the internet purpose. And JDK is also physically exist. It contains JRE and development tools. JDK includes JRE and development tools. JDK implementation of any one of the following platform released by the Oracle Corporation. These three platforms are released by the Oracle Corporations. First one is Standard Edition Java Platform, Enterprise Edition Java Platform and Micro Edition Java Platform. These three platforms are the released by the Oracle used for a JDK implementation. And the JDK contain a private Java virtual machine and a few other resources such as a interpreter or a loader or a Java compiler, archivers and a documentation generators, etc. to complete the development of the Java application. It means if we have to develop one Java application, we need interpreter or a loader and compiler and archiver and a documentation generator to complete the Java application. It is the example for JDK. JDK include JRE, Java Runtime Environment, and Java Runtime Environment include JVM, set of libraries and other files. JDK include JRE and development tools for Java application, and these both are included JVM, set of libraries and other files. Here it completes the difference between JDK, JRE and JVM. Thank you.